I'm feeling bored, too many doors. Well, let me see that shit like busy for me, this ain't right. I can't ignore all of these flaws. They in the field, I won't judge. You can't keep it real, it's too much. I feel paranoid, feeling like I cannot talk to you. You and me, we share something special. Thanks to you, that's ruined. Is it possible? Let's go back to movies in your room. I can turn back time, I can't do that shit for you. Back and forth, back and forth.
Alright folks, it's finally time to give away some Lightfox 9-inch LED laser spotties. Thank you very much to Vic Off-Road for sending them to me originally to test, and now they're surplus to my needs, so I'm going to give them away. I feel it's a way I can give back to you guys. It's super simple to enter. All I need you to do is drop a comment down below of your name, what vehicle you have, and your favorite feature or modification. Make it funny, you'll probably get more likes. I was going to make it a video entry, but I've decided to go away from that. But as a demonstration, I'm going to show you Kieran's video entry.
Hi, my name's Kieran. This is my 03 Nissan Patrol TD42. Favourite thing about this car is, obviously, it flexes more than a Land Cruiser 70 series.
I pretty much want what he's done, but in words down below. That's how you enter, super simple. It's going to be all audience driven, so the audience is going to decide who wins. Pretty much at the end of the competition, the comments, the 4 or 5 or however many top comments there are, will go into like a second draw, and then I'm going to put a poll up on the channel, and then the audience can then choose from those top contenders, and then that is how we are going to decide the winner. So make sure you share the video with all your mates, make sure you get them to jump on the video, find your comment and give it a like, spread some love, show the video a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, enjoy the competition. Hope you all have fun, I hope you all enter, and some lucky person is going to end up with a free pair of spotties. We're going to post them anywhere in Australia, so yeah, good luck guys.
Blame each other, there's no slowing down.